Today, we're going to uncover the powerful health benefits of mixing ginger and turmeric. These two golden ingredients have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. And when combined, they create a natural remedy that can transform your health from the inside out. Stay with me until the end of this video, because I'll also show you a simple recipe to prepare this healing drink at home. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory power. Let's start with one of the biggest reasons ginger and turmeric are so highly praised, their anti-inflammatory properties. Both ginger and turmeric contain compounds, gingerol in ginger, and curcumin in turmeric, that are scientifically proven to fight inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to many modern health problems, including arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, and even certain cancers. By drinking ginger and turmeric together, you may help reduce inflammation naturally, ease joint pain, and improve flexibility. Number 2. Antioxidant protection. Both ginger and turmeric are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants fight free radicals, those unstable molecules that damage your cells and speed up aging. This combination may help protect your cells, slow down the aging process, and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. It's like giving your body a shield against daily stress and toxins. Number 3. Digestive health. If you often suffer from indigestion, bloating, or nausea, ginger and turmeric could be the natural solution you've been searching for. Ginger has long been used to relieve nausea, whether from motion sickness, pregnancy, or chemotherapy. Turmeric, on the other hand, stimulates bile production, which improves digestion and helps break down fats. Together, they can soothe your stomach, reduce gas, and promote a healthy digestive system. Number 4. Heart health. Your heart will thank you for adding ginger and turmeric to your daily routine. Studies show that ginger can help lower cholesterol and improve blood circulation. Turmeric supports healthy blood vessels and may reduce the buildup of plaque in your arteries. The result? A healthier cardiovascular system and a lower risk of heart disease. Number 5. Blood sugar balance. If you struggle with high blood sugar, ginger and turmeric may help bring it under control. Research suggests that ginger can improve insulin sensitivity, while turmeric can reduce blood sugar spikes and protect the pancreas. Drinking this blend regularly may support healthy blood sugar levels and protect against type 2 diabetes. Number 6. Brain health. Here's something many people don't know: ginger and turmeric can also support your brain. Curcumin from turmeric has been studied for its potential to improve memory and reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Ginger may enhance cognitive function, reduce brain inflammation, and even boost mood. Together, they may protect your brain as you age, keeping your mind sharp and clear. Number 7. Immunity booster. In today's world, keeping your immune system strong is more important than ever. Both ginger and turmeric have antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. They help your body fight infections, speed up recovery from colds and flu, and strengthen your overall immune defenses. Number 8. Weight management. If weight loss or maintaining a healthy weight is one of your goals, this golden duo can support you. Ginger increases thermogenesis, meaning it boosts calorie burning. Turmeric helps reduce fat tissue growth and fights obesity-related inflammation. Together, they support metabolism, digestion, and fat loss naturally. Now let's see how you can enjoy this healing combination at home. Here's a simple recipe. Boil 2 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, or fresh turmeric root. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup. You can add a little honey or a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor and benefits. Drink this once a day, preferably in the evening, and over time you'll start to feel the difference in your energy, digestion, and overall health. Potential side effects and risks. While turmeric and ginger are generally considered safe for most people when consumed in food amounts, it's important to be aware of some potential side effects and risks, especially if taking them in supplemental form. The most common side effects associated with turmeric and ginger include gastrointestinal issues like heartburn, nausea, or diarrhea. Increased risk of bleeding or interactions with blood-thinning medications. Potential exacerbation of gallbladder problems. Possible interactions with certain medications, such as NSAIDs, diabetes drugs, or chemotherapy agents. Those with pre-existing medical conditions should consult a healthcare provider before adding high-dose turmeric or ginger supplements to their routine. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of mixing ginger and turmeric. From fighting inflammation and protecting your heart, to boosting brain power and immunity, this natural drink is truly a gift from nature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.